Hello, good evening. We are live broadcasting here to witness one of the Hmong gentlemen who decided to run for the United States Congressman for Minnesota 4th District. His name is Paul Xiong. Paul is from the Hmong community in the Twin Cities here in Minnesota. He decided to run for the United States Congress because he sees, and there are lots issues people in Minnesota and people throughout the United States are facing. This is a pre-launch of Paul Xiong's campaign. This event is happening now at Dalatai Banquet Hall in Spring Lake Park, Minnesota. It looks like there are lots of people coming to support Paul. We are going to listen and watch. Paul and his wife are on the stage right now. He is giving his speech on his agenda, what he will do when he is being elected to the U.S. Congress on November 3rd, 2026.
Through leadership, collaboration, and determination, we made it happen. After decades of waiting, we delivered. Because leadership isn't about talking. Leadership is about results. I didn't just talk about change. I secured funding. I built coalitions. And I delivered the results. That experience reinforced something that I had believed in my entire life. Leadership should be built on the three principles: respect, responsibility, and results. Respect for the people you represent. Responsibility in how you govern. And the results that improve the lives of the communities that you serve. Too often, in Washington today, we see the opposite. We see division instead of respect, excuses instead of responsibility, and politics instead of results. Our district deserves better. Now, friends, let's talk about the future of our district. Congressional District 4 deserves a representative who understands working families, small businesses, and public safety. Today, many families in our district feel uncertainty about the future. Small businesses are struggling under regulations and rising costs. And too many families feel less safe in their own communities. There are real challenges affecting real people every day. And I believe we can do better. The people of this district deserve a representative who listens, who leads, and who delivers results. Not more about politics as usual in Washington. I believe government should empower families, not control them. I believe we should lower taxes, not raise them. I believe we should support law enforcement, not undermine them. And I believe we must protect small businesses because they are the backbone of our economy. In Congress, I will fight for lower taxes for working families, fewer regulations for small businesses, energy independence to reduce costs, strong support for law enforcement, secure borders and legal immigration, fiscal responsibilities with taxpayers' dollars. Regulations and taxes and inflation. Washington policy should help small businesses grow, not bury them. When small businesses succeed, communities succeed. And when communities succeed, America succeeds. My life story also shapes how I see America rose in the world. My families understand what happens when freedom disappears. My father fought alongside the United States of America, stood for liberty. And that is why I believe America must remain strong, respected, and trusted on the world stage. Friends, this campaign is about the future of our district. It's about restoring leadership. Leadership built on 3 principles: respect, responsibility, and results. That is the leadership I will bring to Congress. And that's the leadership that our district deserves. Thank you, and God bless you, and God bless America.
That is Paul Xiong's speech about his candidacy for the U.S. Congressman. He talks about his father was a soldier, fought for the secret war in Laos with the United States CIA and with the Hmong general Vang Pao. His experience as a refugee who came to the United States at the young age. He went to school, worked as a police officer in Minneapolis, Minnesota. He and his wife own a business in Minnesota. And he also earned an engineer degree. And now he wants to be a lawmaker for the United States. His vision is great for the people throughout the United States. That is a great speech, and hope he can win in November and become one of the very first Hmong person who will serve in the United States Congress. As a young refugee whose parents work for the CIA secret war, and now he wants to work for the U.S. lawmaker in Washington, D.C. Good luck, Paul. Good night, and thank you for watching HP History Channel Live.